I'm John Kilpatrick with Okolona Aikido, Louisville, Kentucky, USA. And I want to show you a basic Jo Kata that I learned many years ago when I was first learning Aikido. And I may have changed it a little over the years, and I really don't know where this came from. And I'm doing this with a spear that I made, and I will describe it in the text below. I'm using this partly because I enjoy doing it. It's a lot of fun to play with, but also having the spearhead makes it clear which end of the Jo is forward at any given time. And that's something I like knowing. So this starts off, I'll put numbers to this. Normally numbers aren't put to this, but I'm going to show some other katas and they have numbers too. So I'll number these movements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 ends up being the first movement of doing this same kata on the left side. So if you were doing on the left side, 10 is movement number 1. Going to do the kata this time with leading and with kazushi. And so I will count through it and show the kata as I understand it now. So 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I want to do a little of it. I have to, the lights in here are low, I have to be very careful. But one thing that's really important about this is that my body keeps changing positions, and it may be kind of hard to see from the other view. So from in front of it, I'm holding the Jo. Now I'm bringing it back and I'm stepping out of the way, but the Jo's staying on a straight line. This is, I'll explain all these moves later, but what I want you to see here is that my body keeps changing positions. I draw this up. Now as I strike, I keep moving. I'm not standing still at all. Of course, I'm doing this step by step. Some of these things that I'm showing as individual movements are really just one movement, but I'm showing you the parts.